Very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 6.5. Here we will apply the Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? You will be see here. Question number 1. PQR is a triangle. A right angle at P. If PQ is equal to 10, PR is equal to 24, then find the QR. So that first of all we will draw the diagram. That is a diagram, and then P Q R. This is the 90 degree, and then given that PQ is equal to 10 centimeter, and then PR is equal to 24 centimeter. So we need to find this one. So that is a Pythagoras theorem. H square is equal to P square plus B square. H means hypotenuse, that's the longest side, opposite side of 90 degree angle, and then perpendicular, that is a vertical line, and then base is a horizontal line. So H square is equal to P is 24 square and then 10 square. So that H square is equal to, that will be 24 ja, like this, 24 ja, 4 ja, 16, 4 to ja 8, 4 to ja 16, 1 17, 2 to ja 4 1 5, 576 plus 10 ja 100, 10 ja 100. Now H square is equal to, that will be 676, sorry, not degree, and then H is equal to under root 676 because we have reduced that square. Now we will find the square root of 676, that will be 26, or you can find like this, 676 2 3 ja 2 3 ja 2 8 ja by 2 1 ja 2 6 ja 2 9 ja by 13 ja by 13 by pair we have taken 1. So H is equal to 2 into 13, so that 26 centimeter. This is the answer. Second question. ABC is a triangle, a right angle at C. If AB is equal to 25, AC is equal to 7, so find BC. Same question it is one. We will also draw the diagram here. That right angle at C. So that draw diagram like this, because C is coming here, B, C, A. So that AB is equal to 25, it means hypotenuse is given, and then AC is equal to 7, sorry, centimeter. So we need to find the base. So here also we will apply that formula, base square plus perpendicular square is equal to hypo square. We can write like this also. We have written here like this because we are finding the H square. Now we are finding the B square, that means we will be write this one first. So B square plus 7 square is equal to 25 square. So B square is equal to that 7 7 ja 49 is equal to 25 ja 625. So B square is equal to 625 minus 49. So B square is equal to, that will be 576. So B is equal to under root 576 by the square. So B is equal to, that will be 24. The square root of 576 is 24. You can find out like this. We have find 676. and then this is the centimeter. That is a answer. Question number 3, diagram is given here. A 15-meter long ladder, that means a hypotenuse, reach a window 12-meter high, that is a perpendicular. In given the diagram, find the distance A. So that third question. Solution. So B square plus P square is equal to H square. Oh sorry. Yes. So B is given here, base is given A, plus perpendicular is given 12 is equal to that hypotenuse is 15. So A square plus 12 12 ja 144 is equal to 15 15 ja 225. So that A square is equal to 225 minus 144. So A square is equal to 1, then 12 less 4, 8, 81. So A is equal to under root 81. The square root of 81 is 9 9 is 81, 9. Centimeter or meter, that will be meter. And then question number 4. Which of the following can be the side of a right triangle? Right triangle. This is also simple, no problem is there. First part 2.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter, and then 6 centimeter. So first of all we will take the smaller two number. That will be solution 2.5 square plus 6 square is equal to 6.5 square, like this. It means in plus we will take the smaller number. Okay, so 2.5 means 6.25 plus 6 is 36 is equal to 65 multiply 65. 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30 and 2 32, 5 6 ja 30, 0 6 ja 36, 39. That 5 2 9 3 12 4. That will be 4 2 decimal 25, and then that will be add 4 2 decimal 25 is equal to 4 2 decimal 25. So that is yes, because both are the same, so that will be possible. And then second part, similarly you will be see second part 2 centimeter and then 2 centimeter and then 5 centimeter. So smaller two side square, sum of square of smaller two side is equal to greater side. So 2 to 4 plus 4 is equal to 25. So 4 plus 4 8, not is equal to 25. So no, that will be not possible. Question number 5. Question number 5. A tree is broken at a height of 5 centimeter. Height of 5 centimeter. A ground at the top touch the ground of distance of 12 meter from base. That is 12 meter. And then that will be, so find the original height of tree. Find the original height of tree. So first of all we will find the, this one is the part of also tree. So first of all we will find this one. So that h square is equal to p square plus b square. So h is, we have not here, so 5 square plus 12 square. So that h square is equal to 25 plus 12 12 ja 144, and then h square is equal to 169. So h is equal to 1 under root 169. So that h is equal to 13. That is a 13 meter. So height of tree, height of tree, height of tree is equal to that 13 plus 5 is equal to 18 meter. That is the original height of tree. Question number 6. Angle Q and R of the triangle PQR is a 25 degree, 65 degree. Which of the following is true? Which of the following is true? PQ square plus QR square. PQ square plus QR square is RP square. No, wrong. That is a false. Okay, first is false, and then second is PQ square plus RP square is equal to QR square. So that is yes, true. And then third must be also false. 7th question. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 40 and diagonal is 41. Diagonal is 41. So that this is the rectangle that 40 and this is the 41. So that perpendicular we need to find that. So P square plus B square is equal to H square. So P square plus B is 40 square is equal to 41 square. So P square plus 40 ja 16 is equal to that 41 ja 41 ja, that you can multiply here 1 ja 1 4 ja 4 1 ja 4 4 ja 16 1681 that P square is equal to 1681 minus 16. So that P is equal to 81. That will be in under root by square. So P is equal to 9. So that will be 9. So we need to find the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 2 bracket L plus B. That 2 bracket L is 40 plus 9. So that will be 2 into 49. 49 is equal to 49 to ja 98 meter or centimeter, whatever is given there, centimeter. And then last question, 8th. The diagonal of a rhombus are 16 and 30. This is a tight question. That 8th solution, that is a rhombus. Rhombus means you know that all sides are equal, and then diagonals is given there. Diagonals is given there. So first of all we find that is a 16. So that will be 8 plus 16. That is a 8 plus 8. And then this is the 30, so 15 plus 15, right? So that will be 90 degree also. So opposite side of that one is hypotenuse, or this will be base, or this will be perpendicular. So hypo square is equal to P square plus B square. So hypo square is equal to 15 square plus 8 square. So hypo square is equal to 15 ja 225 plus 8 ja 64. H square is equal to 289. So we can reduce this one also. So H is equal to 17. 70 ja 289. So we have find the side. So perimeter is equal to 4 into side. So that we have find the side. So 4 into 17 is equal to 17 4 ja 68. That will be centimeter answer. Okay.